Hello, good afternoon. My name is Marjorie Hernandez. We'll be doing a interactive advanced concept presentation for Chemistry 125. The professor is Dr. Capps. The interactive advanced concept presentation number 4, the description is as followed. Heat is transferred to liquids very quickly. Gases, on the other hand, are much less conductive and therefore heat transfer occurs much slower. Today we are going to take advantage of that effect to make fireproof balloons, which is pretty cool. Use the following video as a guide for making this week's experiment fireproof balloons. So I'm supposed to fill this with air, and then the balloon, I have 2 balloons, and then the other balloon fill it with a little bit of water and then air, and then see which one pops, which I believe the one with air is going to pop. So here it goes. I'm a little nervous because I'm not a fan of things popping. So hopefully this is quick. Here's my torch. That was quick. And now I'm going to do the one with water. My faucet's right next to me, so I'm going to step away from the camera real quick. So here's the balloon filled with water. I'm going to put air in it. There it is. Oh no, that wasn't supposed to happen. So I had done this before. I don't have another balloon. It popped, but usually is you hover it over it and under it, sorry, the balloon stays like it. The balloon will not pop. This is what I had written down beforehand because I usually do my labs before I actually record them. This is what I have written down is, so water is absorbing all the heat from the fireproof balloon, which was the balloon that was supposed to have water in it. The latex on the balloon allows the heat to form. Sorry, the latex on the balloon allows the heat from the heat source, which was the torch, through the surface of the balloon and into the water. The warm water heated from the torch gets displaced and moves up because heat rises. As the warm water moves up, the cool water moves down to the bottom of the balloon. The cycle continues, that same cycle continues as the flame keeps heating the bottom of the balloon. So that's the waterproof, not waterproof, sorry, the fireproof balloon. As for the regular balloon with air, it popped immediately, and in my opinion, it's because the surface of the balloon melted, causing it to expand and pop. The surface of the balloon isn't strong enough to hold a heat because there isn't any water in it. That was it. I hope you liked the video.